Okay, the next question is what is the sum of the infinite geometric series 12 minus 4 plus 4 over 3 minus 4 over 9 plus it is option A 9, B 8, C 36 over 5, D 9 over 2. So we need to find the sum of the infinite geometric series. Then we need to identify the ratios and the sum of the geometric series. Okay, this one is a ratio. Then the sum of infinite series is equal to G1, or the first geometric series, minus 1 minus R, which is equals to the first one is 12. 12 over 1 minus ratio is minus 1 over 3, minus plus 1 over 3 equal to 12 over 4 over 3. Then over 1 is there, then this is 12 over 1 times 3 over 4, the reciprocal. Then by 4, 1 by 4, 3, 3 times 3, the sum of infinite is equal to 9. The solution set of 3 to the power of x plus 3 minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 equal to 486 is, so this one is the option. Then 3 to the power of x plus 3 minus 3 to the power of x plus 2 equal to 486. So this one is 3 the power of x times 3 the power of cube. They have the same x base, minus 3x times 3 the whole square equal to 486. This by laws of exponent, if they have the same base, add the exponents. Base kana keessa wal qixa fudhanne tokko keessa fudhanneetu kanaaf kana walitti daana jechuudha. Kun kanaan dhufa. So this one is a common factor, 3x out, then 3 cube minus 3 square equal to 486. Then 3 is the power of x into 27 minus 9. This is 3 is the power of 3, 3 times 3 times 3. 3 square is 3 times 3. This is 9, which is equal to 486. Then 3 is the power of x into 27 minus 9 is 18, which is equal to 486 divided by 1/8 divided by 1/8. So 3 is the power of x is down, which is equal to 27 as a base of 3. 27 by 3, 9 by 3, 3. Jechuun sadii al sadii qabna jechuudha. 3 is the power of 3 jechuudha. So kana jechuun a is the power of x is equal a is the power of y if and only if x is equal to y. Yoo ta'edha jechuudha. The same base, therefore x equal to 3. This one is the solution. Correct answer is B, x equal to 3 kan jedhu kana.